Hello, ka-home foodies, and welcome to another delicious session with me. I am Liana Tan Arsenas for Home Foodies Inspired Cuisine. Grazing spreads are really wonderful to serve kasi nga, it's very eye candy, no? Pag dumating yung mga may wow factor. Aside from that, you keep them busy habang nagpe-prepare ka pa ng mga viands sa talagang isa-serve mo sa kanila. So ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo ng basic way of how to make your own grazing spread. Simulan na natin ang ating charcuterie with Purefoods Deli Sausages, Purefoods Deli Franks, Purefoods Fiesta Ham, at ang Purefoods Angus Beef Patty Quarter Pound. O diba, with these products, napakadaling gumawa ng inyong grazing spread anytime. So ano pa iniintay natin? Excited na ako! Tara! Ready to cook the Purefoods Franks. Maraming variants sa market, so go ahead and try a pack. We're using here Purefoods Cheese Franks. All you have to do is put in the franks and then add in about 2 tablespoons of water. And then just before mag-dissipate yung water, pwede ka na maglagay ng 1 tablespoon of oil. So it's just enough to brown the franks kasi fully cooked naman ang ating sausages. Baka magtaka yung ibang viewers natin, no? Sa totoo lang, the right way to cook hot dogs, franks, longganisa even, which I really love, is to put in water first. Minsan yung longganisa nga, naglalabas yung sarili niyang mantika, so hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng oil. But for our Purefoods Franks, mga deli sausages natin, even our Purefoods classic hot dogs, the best way is to put in water and add in a little fat, no? Just to brown the hot dogs, the sausages well. Okay, so malapit na mawala ang ating water, so maglagay na tayo ng oil, di ba? Kasi pag naglagay ka ng oil, nagkakaroon ng nagiglisten yung sausage, at of course, may browning effect. So we'll continue our cooking. The next thing is to put in 4 tablespoons of water. And then I'll add in already a bit of oil para dire-diretso na yung frying niya. And then we'll put in our Purefoods Deli, SCHUBLIG, and BOCKWURST. So yung maputla-putla, yun yung BOCKWURST. Again, our Purefoods Deli sausages are fully cooked already. So, hindi talaga siya kailangan lutuin na matagal. Yung ginagawa natin is, yung technique nun is poaching. We're adding some water and then we're just finishing it off by frying in a bit of oil. Other than poaching, another way to prepare the sausages is to pan grill these. And don't overcook kasi nga, magkakaroon ng shrinkage, yung mangungulubot yung sausage. So to cook our Purefoods Deli breakfast sausage, ganun din, put in about 4 tablespoons of water. Put in some oil, 1 tablespoon. And then, ilagay na natin ang binalatan. Babalatan nyo po yung casing ng ating Purefoods Deli breakfast sausages. So, mapapansin nyo, medyo tataba yung sausage kasi nag-absorb siya ng moisture. Actually, okay na yon. But for some people, gusto pala i-brown. Just do note, if you do that, medyo overcooked na yon. So, magkukulubot yung sausages. Grazing board, i-cut na natin ang ating Purefoods Deli sausages at saka franks. Now, in doing so, you can cut it diagonal, pabilog, pwede mo rin i-cubes, no? So that you have contrast in the shape at saka gumamit tayo ng ibang variety para may contrast ka rin in color. Dito, we can slice it diagonal. And pwedeng mas thinner. So, isa gawin nating halves. cut them in 2 halves para iba naman. So, gagawa muna tayo ng dalawang sauces, maiba naman sa usual na ketchup at saka mayonnaise, hindi ba? So, gagawa tayo ng honey mustard sauce at saka barbecue peanut sauce. Very easy sauces na pwede mong gawin ahead of time at ilagay lang sa ref and you know, just transfer it just before you serve to your guests. Ayan. So, let's start with the first one, ang ating honey mustard sauce. So, combine first ang ating Magnolia Real Mayonnaise. Tapos, honey. Ang iyong Dijon mustard. Kung wala naman, okay naman din ang prepared mustard. But yung Dijon kasi may texture siyang ini-impart tsaka may kakaiba sa lasa niya. Mas masarap actually than your regular mustard. Then, vinegar. Add cayenne pepper. Then you blend this together until smooth. So you can use a balloon whisk here. So kasi with the whisk, mas madali ma-disperse yung mga mayonnaise kasi they clump together, hindi ba? So we have our first sauce. Let's move to the barbecue peanut sauce. So all you need to do is combine together ang aming SKIPPY creamy peanut butter. Diba? Anything with peanut butter is really good. And then next is your store-bought barbecue sauce. Diba? 3 ingredients lang, meron ka ng kakaibang sauce. And of course, our Magnolia Real Mayonnaise. So, itong mga sauces natin, you can prepare them ahead of time, place them in an airtight container, and refrigerate until use. So, let's mix together using our whisk. Ayan. So, we have our sauces. Let's set these aside at gawin naman natin ang ating Angus Sliders using Purefoods Angus Beef Patty, 1/4 pound. To make our Angus Sliders, simulan natin by cooking our Purefoods Angus Beef Patty, 1/4 pound. So ito, when you cook this, you don't need any oil. Diretso ang patty sa hot pan. So you cook the patty from frozen. And you cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes per side. Okay, ready to turn? So we got this into 4 because we're fitting it in sliders, or small buns. Keep this warm. Alam niyo, ang Purefoods Angus Beef Patty 1/4 pound ay hindi lang masarap as hamburgers or sandwich filling. Masarap din siyang rice topping in rice bakes, sa mga casseroles, at saka filling na mga empanada at saka tacos. Diba? So hindi nalilimit ang usage. It's very versatile. We keep our patties warm by placing it sa oven set at 200 degrees Fahrenheit until ready mo na siyang gamitin. But of course, dapat hindi siya ma-dry, diba? Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa oil, isubmerge mo sa olive oil, sa shal, diba? Or a little oil, that's fine. O kaya, takpan mo para hindi mag-evaporate at hindi mag-dry up. Alright? Prior to assembly, i-toast natin ang ating buns. Well, it's optional, but you know, toasting it in a pan will help prevent yung sogginess ng bread pag nalagyan mo na ng sandwich bread. Okay, I think these are good. Yan, hindi naman kailangan toasted na toasted. So we've toasted our buns. Gawin naman natin ang ating cheese dressing. This is a combination of Magnolia cheesy spread milky white na napakasarap at saka blue cheese. Kung wala ka naman blue cheese, doesn't matter. Pwede kang mag-experiment with other cheeses if you want lang added flavor. But sa totoo lang, yung ating Magnolia cheesy spread milky white will suffice. So we have our toasted bread. We'll put on some dressing. This is sa bottom part. In terms of bread, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng pandesal at saka ng buns. Kahit anong bread pwedeng gamitin other than dinner rolls. Importante maliit kasi para technically yung grazing dapat mga isang subo siya. So ito pwede dapat kainin ng buo, mga 2 bites. There. Pagkatapos, we'll put in our patty. Perfect fit. It's so delicious. Actually, hindi na kailangan maghintay ng grazing event para gawin ito sa bahay, di ba? Anytime, pwede niyong ihain ito either pang merienda or pang kain talaga like lunch or dinner. Of course, lakihan nyo na lang yung bread. And then you put in your greens. So, we're using microgreens. Ako, favorite ko ay alfalfa sprouts. Skewer with a pick. We'll set this aside at gagawin naman natin ang ating beef bacon enoki rolls. We're ready to make our beef bacon enoki rolls. Napakasimple, 2 ingredients, and this is really a personal recipe of mine. So all you need to do is open this pack and cut it in half. Sobrang sarap nitong beef bacon na to. Iba siya dun sa, of course, dun sa pork, but iba rin yung note niya, which is really good. So let's cut this in half. Simple lang. All you have to do is take some enoki mushrooms. This is really good. I love using this mushroom sa mga sabaw, no? Pagkatapos, iro-roll mo na. So, about mga 10 grams, 10 to 12 grams. And then, i-roll mo siya sa ating Purefoods beef bacon. When you have parties at gusto mong instant appetizer, this is really a good recipe, no? Ginagamit ko talaga to. And again, pwedeng gawin do ahead. So, prepare ko na siya kahit night before and then day before, put it in the chiller. At pag malapit na dumating yung guest, ilalagay lang natin sa oven or oven toaster set on the highest or about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. At iluto doon, i-bake for about 20 minutes, no? Until mag-brown. Importante, cook through lang yung bacon. Let's open our Purefoods Fiesta ham, which is sugar glazed to achieve the right sweetness. Now dito, actually, what you can do, you can fold it, you can roll it, no? Ang daming pwedeng gawin. So you can do like this. You can make it smaller. So mamaya I'll show you. Pwedeng ganyan. And then you lay it down on sa spread to fill in spaces later. Alright? We'll do 2 boards. Kasi ang dami nating elements kanina. Gagawin muna natin yung ating Angus Sliders. Ilalagay natin siya sa isang board. So next, lagyan natin ng some enoki rolls. And then meron akong jerkins or marinated pickles siya na well, in layman, maliit na pickles. So ilalagay natin siya here. Ito pa lang, meron ka na agad arrangement. Gagawin naman natin yung malaking version kasi andito na lahat ang ating Purefoods Deli products. At saka bibihisan natin ng fruits, ng sweets, ano pa, ng crackers, ng chips. Oh, ang sarap ng mix ng sweet, salty na items. So, gawin na natin. Tatabi muna natin ito. Okay, in grazing, you can use different boards of different shapes and sizes. Ang importante is to lay down sa grazing yung mga bulky or malalaking items dun sa board mo. Ipo-position mo siya. So, katulad nito ay meron akong bunch of grapes. So, gusto ko siya i-lay down. So, I'm gonna put it here on one side. So, I like my fruits here. Then, meron pa akong isa para may contrast agad sa kulay. And then, meron tayong Purefoods Deli breakfast sausages na niluto kanina. Ilagay na natin siya sa tabi. Yan. Maganda yung may piling na nagaganap kasi marami tayong ilalagay na items. You can group together yung more or less the same. Pero I highly suggest naman, pwedeng the same sila, pero in terms of color, mas maganda magkakatabi, magkakaibang kulay. So we'll put in next our Purefoods cheese franks. Pwede natin ilagay sa gilid. So iniba-iba ko yung cut nito. Meron akong bilog, meron din akong diagonal. And then, meron akong sauces na ginawa kanina, hindi ba? So, ilagay natin siya. I think let's put in our cheese kasi medyo bulky din siya. Tsaka gusto ko naka-fan out. Ilalagay natin dito. Ayan yung mga pang-fill mo ng gaps, yung mga fruits, mga nuts, chocolates. And then I'll put in the rest of the sausages muna para alam ko kung saan ako mag-fill in. Dito naman tayo maglagay. To reiterate, nilagay muna natin bulky items and pinosisyon natin yung meats followed by cheese. Then now you can fill in with mga breads, fruits, mga nuts, mga chips para ma-fill in yung space. Ang maganda sa grazing board ay kailangan parang wala masyadong blanco na area. So, meron akong, you know, you can use mga decorative containers like this one for the sauces. At saka ito, nilagyan ko ng nuts. Pwedeng maglagay ka ng kung ano-ano and then you position it so that nafe-fill up yung space all around it. I have crackers here. So, meron pa akong meat. Mamaya babalikan natin. Maglagay muna tayo ng crackers para nakaposition na rin sila. So, in terms of crackers, ang daming shapes and sizes. I like using contrast in shape. So, pwedeng meron akong pa-square, tapos meron akong pabilog. No? Tapos, pina-fan out ko lang yan, or sinisingit-singit ko lang yan kung saan may space pa. Ang charcuterie ay hindi kailangan mahal. Importante, maganda yung imagination mo how to put things together so that you come up with a good board. Hindi naman din pinag-aaralan yan. Ito nga, very freestyle to, you know, as you go. Kasi madali naman mag-adjust. I'll put in my cheese, tsaka yung remaining ham. So yan, panangga ko ngayon sa crackers, no? Yung cheese na naka-cube. And then, lagay ko na yung iba kong meat. Then I still have some cheese, which I can put in other areas to fill in the space. Okay, let's use our Purefoods Fiesta ham, no? Alam mo, ang ganda nito. You can fold it, you can roll it. Ito, ginawa kong parang fan. Since all of the meat products are here already, we can fill in yung mga gaps by using dessert items like chocolates, mga parang pretzels. You can put in something salty like mga chips. You can also use a lot of fruits, mga dried fruits, at saka mga nuts to fill in the gaps Or, to make a sharp contrast in flavor and texture, pwede ka maglagay ng other fresh fruits such as mga strawberries or kiwi on the side. But since meron tayong grapes at marami-rami na siya, we don't need to put any more. Alright? So ito na. I have dried apricots here. I can put here. And I can put all over. Yan, singit-singit lang yan. Now, in terms of usage, we indicated sa recipe, syempre, mga about 50 grams. Sa totoo lang, it will vary eh. Depende kung gaano kalaki yung board mo. At saka, ano ba yung gusto mong ilagay? So, suggestive lang siya. So, meron akong ano dito, cute pretzels. So, pwede mo naman siyang ilagay dito. Pang ano lang, pang attract lang. Yan, can put it there. Meron tayo yung chocolate cubes. Pwede mo lagay sa gilid. Sa mga gilid-gilid, normally dyan ako maglalagay. I have here walnuts that you can put in also. Sa iba, lagyan naman natin ng pistachio kasi ang sarap din mag-pistachio. Pwede ka rin maglagay in small containers and, you know, put in the nuts like the one I did here. So, ito pwede natin patungan siya ng pistachio. Okay, let's put in our pretzels. I love this talaga, and I love eating them. Very dainty and very delicious. Talagang, you know, I really use it a lot when I do grazing spreads. So, pwede naman mag-separate ka niyan elsewhere. But, yan, ganda na yan. And then, you can put in your chocolate sa mga gilid-gilid na lang. Ayan na ang ating grazing board or charcuterie gamit ang Purefoods Angus Beef Patty Quarter Pound, ang Purefoods Deli Sausages, ang Purefoods Deli Franks, at of course ang Purefoods Fiesta Ham. Ano pa iniintay nyo? Gawin nyo na ito kasi malapit ang New Year, di ba? It's just a few days away. I do hope you will try this recipe at, diba, taste the world in every bite with Purefoods products, diba? Sige, so I'll see you again for another Delicious session. This is Liana Tan Arsenas for Home Foodie.
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, walang imposible. Lahat kayang gawing madelicious!